Hey guys, it's Keke and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I will be showing you guys how I do my press on nails. So if you would like to see how I achieve these results, please keep watching. So guys, I'm taking this nail file by Kiss and I'm using the coarse side to buff the shine off of my natural nail bed. So I'm just going to continue the process on the remaining nails. Taking this cuticle pusher and I'm just going to push back my cuticles. Taking this electric nail drill and I'm just going to remove any remaining cuticles from around my natural nail bed, and I am going to do that on the remaining nails. And I will put the link to where you can purchase this nail drill and drill bits in the description box below. So guys, I'm just going to use an alcohol pad to remove all of the excess dust and things from my natural nail bed. I will be using the House of Holland nails, and this set is called Thorn in My Side, and it comes with the nail file and the nail glue, and I will put the link down below to where you can purchase these also. So guys, here I am sizing the nail tips to fit my natural nail, and if one is too big, you can always file the sides down to fit your natural nail. So I'm using the super glue that I purchased from my local Dollar Tree, and I prefer this super glue because it gives a stronger hold. And now I am going to glue the nails onto my natural nail bed. And I am pressing firmly down for 10 seconds. I'm going to repeat the process for the remaining nails. So guys, Now I am going to take the Pay Petty Perfect Cuticle Oil and apply a drop to my cuticles, and I'm going to massage that into the skin. So guys, here are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.